Hey, hi, and welcome to this 5 Minutes Friday. Today we're gonna talk about and show you how we paint rocks with acrylic paints and brushes. Hey, hi, and we're back looking at this black-brown paint we painted the last time. Grabbing a bottle of unbleached heavy-body titanium, heavy-body acrylic, squeeze some on the palette, get rid of most of it on the back of a piece of masonite and start dry brushing. Well, man, you see this texture appear. Now we grab a light mocha, it's a craft paint, just to show that it works as well. Same procedure, dab some in the brush, get rid of most of it on the back of a piece of masonite and start dabbing random patches all around. So then we grab a bottle of burnt umber, follow the same procedure. Adding some flash ochre in it, some of the previous colors, mix and match, you know, it's quite simple. And then start dry brushing again, adding a bit of color on the rocks. Followed up with a raw sienna to add a little bit of yellowish into the mix. I must say, same procedure, dabbing paint, mixing it. On the back of a piece of masonite, get rid of most of it and start dry brushing. Looks easy, sounds easy, it's easy. Well, the colors look a little bit harsh now, but with this Naples yellow reddish light, we follow the same procedure again. We're gonna tie all these colors together. Well, dry brush. Yeah, well, you know the drill already. Looks like fun, doesn't it? So after we finish this paint session, we are gonna add some off-white. I never use a pure white, but an off-white, just to highlight a little bit of the edges. Only the edges. And then we let it dry for a couple of hours, you know, maybe a day or a day. To come back with washes. I can hear you think, oh wow, there is again with the washes. I'm gonna tell you in the next video about it, how I make them. And we hit the rocks with this green tone, you know, dab it out with a big brush. I think a lot of rock looks pretty greenish to me. Little bit of brown. Yeah. And finally, we cover the whole surface with a black-brown wash. I always add a little bit of brown into the black, because I do think that pure black, pure white doesn't exist in nature. So we let it dry for a while again and finally come back and dry brushing the entire surface again a little bit with the same drill and a little bit of whitish off-white color to highlight all the edges. Well, that's a few steps, I know. Looks easy, it is easy. Please try it. That's it for now. Please don't forget to like this video if you liked it, or subscribe if you're not a member at all. And see you in the next one. Bye bye.